Hello, and here we are again, and we're continuing on. Can you believe we're at a lesson 15 of the workbook of A Course in Miracles? So as I begin today, I will, as always, read the lesson and then do a short reflection. So here it is, lesson 15. My thoughts are images that I have made. It is because the thoughts you think appear as images that you do not recognize them as nothing. You think them, and so you think you see them. This is how your seeing was made. This is the function you have given your body's eyes. It is not seeing, it is image making. It takes the place of seeing, replacing vision with illusions. That's the vision of Christ. So this introductory idea to the process of image making that you call seeing will not have much meaning for you. You will begin to understand it when you have seen little edges of light around the same familiar objects which you see now. That is the beginning of real vision. You can be certain that real vision will come quickly when this has occurred. As we go along, you may have many light episodes. They may take many different forms, some of them quite unexpected. Do not be afraid of them. They are signs that you are opening your eyes at last. They will not persist because they merely symbolize true perception, and they are not related to knowledge. These exercises will not reveal knowledge to you, but they will prepare the way to it. In practicing the idea for today, repeat it first to yourself, and then apply it to whatever you see around you, using its name and letting your eyes rest on it as you say, "This blank is an image that I have made. That blank is an image that I have made." It is not necessary to include a large number of specific subjects for the application of today's idea. It is necessary, however, to continue to look at each subject while you repeat the idea to yourself. The idea should be repeated quite slowly each time. Although you will obviously not be able to apply the idea to very many things during the minute or so of practice that is recommended, try to make the selection as random as possible. Less than a minute will do for the practice periods if you begin to feel it uneasy. Do not have more than 3 application periods for today's idea unless you feel completely comfortable with it, and do not exceed 4. However, the idea can be applied as needed throughout the day. Well, another challenging lesson, and just again, do the work as it says. Although as I was reflecting today, what came to my mind was an old movie projector. And I hope that if you're younger, much younger than me, that you remember the movie projector. And on those old movie projectors, you had a reel with film on it the film contained the movie. And then there was a projector that projected that film, that movie, onto a screen. So the again, the real is can be seen as I'm speaking this, as your thoughts. And your thoughts are not your thoughts. They're not real. And you know, with this, the projector projects that movie that's on the reel. And again, you are the projector. You are the thoughts that you think that you are, and that projector projects that movie. And that movie is the images. Your thoughts, okay, are projecting images. And it said, and the lesson is, my thoughts are images that I have made. And the thoughts are what we think we've made. And so the images of this movie, it's not real. It's a movie. It's the illusion. Again, I'm going to read paragraph 1. It is because the thoughts you think appear as images that you do not recognize them as nothing. We think they appear as images and we don't recognize them as nothing. You think them. And so you think that you see them. And this is how your seeing was made. This is the function you have given your body's eyes. It is not seeing. It is image making. It takes the place of seeing. This image making takes the place of seeing. And it replaces the vision. The vision replaces the vision with illusions. So we block the vision of Christ with these images because we see them with our body's eyes. The practice of these lessons and the course will bring you to true vision, to truth, to inner vision, to vision of Christ, which Christ is love, and it'll bring you to love and into inner peace. So I hope that demonstration, or that speaking of a old film projector, gives you some idea about you, about your thoughts, and that those images, they're only images and they're not real. You'll learn more about that as we go along in the course. The world you see out there is not real. Stay tuned. And we'll leave it at that for today. And we'll see you on the next video. And we will be on lesson 16 in the next video. Continue with your day and have a blessed day. Have a love-filled day. We'll see you in the next video.